Welcome to Tinks Invest. We're talking about investing, finance, and professional women. As a recording time of 9:35 a.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum currently trade $2,608, down about 2.64% so far. As you can see clearly on the over crypto market and the equity market, especially on the tech sector, is relatively red at the moment, with two affectations specifically driving this volatility we see in front of the market right now. First is with respect to Spotify. The stock plunged yesterday due to lower guidance and expectations from the management team going forward due to its declining subscription rates on an annual basis going forward. In addition to that, obviously, Facebook, the shares tanked yesterday by 24%, again, due to weaker guidance again, and also they lost $10 billion last year due to their metaverse investments. But is that a big red flag, loss in the earnings perspective? I think, in my perspective, or just my point of view, is that has Facebook business fundamental has changed? I don't think it has changed in a detrimental way, but rather they are evolving. Right, metaverse is definitely a new technology, a new infrastructure that they're implementing. So with this upfront capital investment, which Facebook does have a sizable balance sheet in their company. So in the fundamental perspective, which I do on a day-to-day basis, the fundamental numbers checks out in comparisons to the technical numbers, which is what Wall Street is giving it, which translates into a sell-off, right? So I think yesterday or today is a relatively overreaction. And I think if you are one of the Patreon members, you'll know the signals in my posting that I just posted about 2 minutes ago. So feel free to check it out and let me know if you have any questions on that one. In addition to that, just look at the more of a macro news. So seems like the weekly jobless claims total to be 238,000 residents, which is fewer than expected. But obviously, excuse me, with respect to the tech sell-off, and also with respect to the anticipated pressure for the job numbers coming out tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. on the Eastern Time, we are seeing the opposite side of the spectrum, and that makes sense, right? Because we've been surging for the last 3 days so far, right, collectively. And so let's just dive right into the technical to see what's the momentum looking like going forward. And this is a new format, so feel free to let me know if you like this or not like this. People want me to just like dive straight into the technicals, and I think they absorb the information better without me showing them like too many charts and colors and stuff. I guess makes sense. So let me know how it goes. So with respect to recording time, again at 9:38 a.m. on the Eastern Time, we are touching the exact consolidated level to 2,623, which is the level identified so far. That's why we're laying back down on this level. So right now, the pending factor that we need to know is with respect to a couple of things, right? Ukraine-Russian war breakout. That's one. We know that Binance already deployed 3,000 troops. They might be deploying more. And UK is also doing that in alliance with US as well. So we'll see how that goes. And we know the tech earnings came out to be kind of a mixed bag, right? The earlier part of the week has been positive, and the subsequently allow for the rally with some rotation. But now you obviously see Spotify and Facebook get punched in the face with this lower guidance. We're seeing the reversal right now, knowing the fact these are sizable market drivers, right? So if tomorrow's job numbers comes out to be just aligned with Wall Street expectation, we should subsequently revive and come back up to the 2,850, or go back down to the current level of 2,625, which is the level we're consolidating at. But if we have a really negative one, we got to go back down to the 2,362. Respect to Bitcoin is about basically flat at the moment. We are just below the 38,700. Which is technically the next level, the 37,500. So the level that we need to get to right now, if we're going to be going up, will be the 40,000. The lower level, which I don't foresee to be like completely to 34,400, would be somewhere around like the 35 or 36 from here, with the 34 out of 70. So long term wise, it's still a good logical level to buy. Dogecoin is at 13 cents right now, down about 0.30%, anywhere from the again 1330 all the way to 1201 is still logical. Cardano is up about 0.90%, 103 right now. I like anywhere from 102 all the way to 92 cents from here with the 40 out of 70. Solana is down about close to 8% right now. You could see, I don't know what happened to the chart. I think there's something funky going on. There we go. That makes more sense. That didn't make any sense to me. What happened before? With a 37 out of 70, we are coming back down to more of a consolidated level, just hair away, obviously 100. But I prefer, and this is probably me just being more conservative. I bought in at the 90-40, right, which is like basically rock bottom. But right now, like basically $7 above it. 34 was where we tested early when I was still asleep, right? I wish I was not asleep at that time, but that was like also like 4 o'clock in the morning, right? So 37 out of 70, not terrible. I would look out for, a little bit better level, but if we see some sort of a reversal coming, I will probably just buy in around this level because it's still like a logical level. And if I don't do that, I'm going against my emotions, which is not logical at all. XRP is down about 2.14%, 60 right now. Anywhere from 60 cents all the way to 55 is still logical. Polkadot is down about 6% as well, 1845. Anywhere from current level to 1587 still logical at 35 out of 70. Algorand is down about 6.54% at 91 right now. Anywhere from basically, again, right, 90 all the way to 80 from here. Shiba Inu is down about flat, basically. I like anywhere from low 2000s all the way to 1400 to 900 from here. These are the frames I would identify as fair, attractive steel. MagTech is down about 2%. I don't like this. I like anywhere from 143 to 120. I don't like that. It's been flash crashing like this, which is not a healthy momentum or pattern that I see in front of me. AVAX is down about 2.3%, anywhere from 59 to 50. Luna is at 48 right now, up about 3%. The reason we bounced from Luna is because, again, right, 62, 52, 45, right? So we bounced from 45, and that's why we're reversing right now. Right now, 39 out of 70, so it's okay. It's like $4 above it, but it's still tolerable based on the technical analysis. So hopefully the technical analysis is helpful. Let me know how it goes on this Thursday. I can't believe it's Thursday already. We are already 3 days in February. But yeah, have a good day and let me know how it goes. Take care. Bye.